So we're out here in conjunction with April being Distracted Driving Awareness Month. So if we can just get the word out, and that's kind of what we're trying to do here today, of the dangers, then hopefully we can fix the problem. From a police standpoint, I consider distracted driving to be anything that takes your hand off the wheel, your eyes off the road, or your mind off what you're doing. That can be putting on makeup, that can be eating a sandwich or a bowl of soup, reading the newspaper, or texting. The legal parameters are much more specific when it comes to the texting law. It's very specific what you can and can't do with a phone behind the wheel. So one of the advantages of having a facility like this that we can go out and drive in a safe environment, we're by no means promoting distracted driving. That's not what we're doing. We're not teaching officers how to drive distracted. It's just good to put a visual. The exercise we did earlier today involved, first of all, just getting stopping distance and averaging the officer's abilities to stop the vehicle at 3 speeds, 30, 40, and 50 miles per hour. Then the second exercise, we artificially introduced 3 seconds of reaction time. So we saw the officers, their hands are on the wheel, their eyes are on the road, but the command to stop was delayed by 3 seconds. And all that does is simulate had they had their eyes off the road for 3 seconds. And then the visual, what we learn from that is, and the officers see, is just how far a vehicle travels had you taken your eyes off the road for 3 seconds.